Hey guys! So today I want to share with you how I made this motivational fabric banner, and it's super easy to make. It took me about 15 minutes and it's just perfect for your office or your doorroom. So let's get started. Start by cutting out a template, and you can find the link to my Pinterest in the description box below, and then just trace it onto your fabric. When you're finished with that, cut out the two outside parts of the template. Then line it up on the top and the bottom and trace it again. Now repeat this step with the two other sides. Now you can take your hot glue gun and apply the glue onto the outer space. Then fold it at the line. For the top, apply the glue a little bit more towards the outside, so you can push later on the wooden stick through. For the decoration of the banner, I chose a quote, but you can leave it blank or add anything else. And the way I got the quote onto my banner is that I printed on tracing paper and then I traced it onto the banner. To fill it in, I tried actually a few markers, but I ended up using a paint marker and that worked out very well. To finish it all up, tie your rope onto the sides and then you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly DIYs, and then I will see you next week.